Hi guys, in this video, I will tell you how can you change the selection color of the text using CSS. Now write paragraph tag in the body tag, and add some text in it. Now we will write some lines in CSS. Now we will style paragraph tag. We will give it 8 VW padding. Now we write paragraph tag and add double colons with it and write selection with it. And give background color, khaki. You can easily see the difference. You can also change the color of text. Please make sure to like and subscribe my channel.